Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen, and today I'm making lentils. That's right, the classic, authentic tradition. Italians eat lentils on New Year's Eve or just at the stroke of midnight. They take a big heaping spoonful, a trusty wooden spoonful that is, of hot steaming lentils, and it's said to bring good fortune for the upcoming new year. Well, today in the description box below, I have posted my recipe for the authentic classic lentil soup. Many thanks to all my subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed to a chef called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to a chef called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Until we meet again, from my kitchen to yours, I bid you Chindan, Happy New Year. Bye!